Hi everyone, I hope life is treating you kindly. I'm Lubomira and thank you for joining me today. Welcome to all my crafty friends new and returning. I always look forward to this time of the week when we get together for some crafting fun. Now that you are here, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. By hitting that little bell, you'll get notified every time I post something new and you won't miss out on any of the crafty goodness. I want to express my hopes that everyone is safe. It seems that one side of the country is literally on fire while the other is in a deep freeze. For those of you in the south experiencing the severe cold, I wish you sunny days quickly. And for those of you who are out in California or have loved ones there, be safe. It's heartbreaking to see the destruction, but life is always more valuable than any material good. While it may be difficult, most things can be replaced, but life cannot. My prayers and thoughts are with you. To brighten the mood, I'm sharing another cute Valentine's Day card. This card is a very beginner-friendly project, so for those of you with some kiddos, you may find this one fun. I'm excited to share this card with you, so let's get into the video. I started off by creating some heart masks. I applied some of the scrapbook.com 4-inch low-tack tape to some scrap cardstock I had lying around. I then used the Dollar Tree heart dies to cut the hearts from those scraps. I cut quite a few because I wanted to create a background with some scattered hearts throughout it. After die cutting the hearts, I peeled the low-tack tape layer from the cardstock and placed them across a standard white card panel. I used the various sizes and turned the hearts in all directions. I also made sure to place some hearts off the page so the design had a continuous and more aesthetically pleasing look. When I had the masks in place, I used Distress Oxide inks to ink blend a background. I used the colors Spun Sugar, Kitsch Flamingo, and Picked Raspberry. I started off with the lightest color and worked my way up to the darkest. I alternated between the colors, going from dark to lightest back to dark to create a nice transition and a smoother blend. My workspace is a simple piece of laminated cardstock that I can set up quickly and then wipe to reuse over and over again when I need to. It's also mobile, so I can move it out of the way when I need to and continue working at my desk as a project dries to the side. Next, I applied some splatter using Picket Fence's Paper Splatter Watercolor in the color Liquid White Snowflake. I used a fan brush from a Dollar Tree brush set and it created a really pretty result. I also smushed some of the Picked Raspberry Distress Oxide ink onto my work surface and added water to create even more splatter. I didn't clean my brush, so the previous white color mixed into the pink, adding a little bit of shimmer to it. When I was ink blending, a very small part of one of the masks lifted. To clean up that edge, I used a white paint pen to cover the overblending. This really isn't necessary, and had it not been at the top, I wouldn't have bothered fixing it. I did want to show though that white paint pens can clean up some mistakes in a pinch if you can't hide it with an element or an embellishment. I trimmed the ink blended panel by 1/4 from the top and the side. I also trimmed a piece of black cardstock to be slightly larger than the heart panel to create a thin black border around the ink blended panel. I attached the ink blended panel to the black matte panel using liquid glue, and then I glued the finished panel to a white card base. For the focal point, I used a Dollar Tree sticker. The Valentine's Day stickers are really fantastic this year with an assortment of different kinds. I'll be featuring a few more in a future video. However, for this one, I used this adorable bear holding a heart. Since he's very thin and I wanted to add dimension to my card by popping him up, I applied him first to a piece of white cardstock and then fussy cut him out. When I was done cutting him out, I used foam squares to attach him to the front of my card. For the sentiment, again, I relied on some Dollar Tree stickers. Dollar Tree has these glitter foam stickers. They usually have some form of them for every holiday season. For the winter season, they had the snowflakes, among others. I used the pink glitter love and applied it directly under my bear. I added some liquid glue to the back of the sticker and used my piercing tool to help me place it. To finish the card, I added some dark pink dewdrops for a little bit of sparkle and a pop of more color. And that's it for this card. This card came out really adorable. I really love the little bear sticker we used in the center. I also like how the heart background complements the bear. It's such an easy way to create a background, but adds a little bit of drama and interest. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your schedule for some crafting fun with me. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And please leave me those comments. It's always fun keeping that discussion open in the comments below. I hope you'll join me next time for another project. Until then, have a lovely week, and I hope life treats you kindly. See you soon. Bye.